Good morning, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. And on this channel, you guys are going to learn how you can make an income from home. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And if you stay to the end of the video, I have a couple of free gifts I want to give you. So this is my Textbot.Ai review. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about this. It's gained a lot of momentum. A lot of people on YouTube are talking about it. There's tons of review videos on it. But this is my own personal review. Now, this was formerly known as Abundance Network. For those of you who don't know, Jeff Long is the creator. He created a system to where you send out a phone number, and anyone who calls that number and opts in or pays into it, you would get paid $100 per person. And this blew up when it was in beta testing. And then all of a sudden, it just had started having problems. And I got in right when it started having problems. And for a minute, I had to wait. And then he did another launch, and it came back up, and I was able to promote it and get some more people to opt in. But for right now, it has been updated. It is now called Textbot.ai. So here you see on my dashboard, I have a link here. This is a link that I will be sending out to people that are interested in joining Ava or joining Textbot.ai. So if you're interested in having a software that will text your prospects or your leads any link that you want, like say for instance, you're in the beauty industry and you would want Ava to market Textbot.ai and your beauty business, then you'd be able to add that website link to Ava, and she'd be able to market that for you as well. So not only will you make $100 by giving out a phone number and selling Ava, you will also get paid for your primary business as well. So this is the link you can send out, and this is the website link. I'm going to show you what that looks like right now, just so you get a glimpse. So let's go there and see what it looks like. You get $100 every time someone calls the phone number and purchases Ava to work for them. $100. You can get this daily. There's no cap or no limit to how much you can earn a day. You can earn $100 a day with Ava whenever someone purchases or buys into this. And you can also earn commissions with your primary business as well. So this is the website. This is our website. The link that I just showed you, that's the website link. And it's taking a minute to load. I don't want this video to be too long. But this is a little icon of a phone number. And this is my phone number here, which I will be leaving in the description below. So I'll be leaving this link along with my phone number. So you guys can either visit the website or you can call the number and interact with Ava. This is my membership status. My usage balance is $16.90. This basically means when you purchase Ava, you will then you will then purchase usage balance, like credits, so you can keep your phone number working. And $1 will be taken from this every single month. Will be taken from your every time somebody calls your phone number, $1 will be deducted from this. I did have like 20 something credits, but people have been calling my number, so it's now down to 16.90. So this is just like when you purchase a phone and you purchase minutes. Same exact concept. Okay? So I'm a reseller, and that basically means I have the ability to resell this system because I purchased a reseller membership. There are other memberships you guys can go through, but for right now, Textbot.ai, you are marketing a phone number, and these are all my sign-ups and people that have opted in. And when I looked at this last week, it was a smaller number. It was like 50. Now it's up to 61. So I would know if they are coming from YouTube or if they're coming, from my link. So I have my YouTube because I put my phone number and my link on YouTube. And also, if they just go straight to my link, I would know. Okay? But this is a great opportunity if you guys are interested in having a software that does all the selling and everything for you. I highly recommend that you purchase Ava, because not only will you earn $100 every time someone purchases Ava, you'll also earn money for your business opportunity. So how awesome would that be to wake up to $100 commissions every single day, or every time you wake up, every time while you're sleeping, earning $100. I know a lot of you right now can use $100 a day, or $100 a week. You know, you can be making $100 a day with Ava just by allowing her to, just by giving out the phone number, having people call the phone number, or sending out this link. I would highly recommend you do both. I'm going to be marketing both. They can either visit the website or they can call the phone number. I want to give my people options. Okay, so like I said, it is $100 to join, to pay, to become a member with Textbot.Ai. And you pay $100, and then you set up your account. You set up Ava here. You set up your phone number, and it'll walk you through on how to do all that. You set up your phone number once you buy your usage credits. You can go here to do that. You buy your usage credits, and then your phone number will be set up, and you'll be able to choose your link, and you will also be able to choose your phone number. You can market either or, but I market both. I market my link, my website link, and my phone number, just because I want to give people the option. They can either go to the website and watch the video, or they can call the phone number and listen, have a conversation with Ava. But like I said, Textbot.ai is an amazing opportunity. You know, Jeff Long created this, and he did an amazing job, because text messaging is very, very popular. So I just wanted to come on here and make a video about my own personal review about Textbot.ai. I think it's an amazing opportunity. I highly recommend you guys get in, because who would not want to wake up to $100 in their bank account, or however you guys want to get paid. That's another thing I want to show you before I end the video. I want to show you guys the payment methods that they have with Textbot.ai. These are payment methods that you can choose to get paid by. Like, for instance, okay, so the payment methods here. Let's click on that. So after you've set up everything, you paid your $100, you set up Ava, you got your phone number going. Now you need to set up your profile here, your payment method, whatever you want to get paid by. So if you want to get paid by PayPal, you enter your PayPal information here. Cash App, enter your Cash App information. Venmo, enter your Venmo information. Google Pay, enter your Google Pay information. Apple Cash, credit card, Bitcoin, or Zelle. So this is like they send a direct deposit to your bank. So this is where your leads will send you the $100 to. They'll send it to you. So if you guys join me, you will be sending me the $100, because that $100 pays for your system, your software. It pays for your software. And like I said, the usage balance, the credits, they're very low price. I paid $10 in credits, and I got some extra credits added for being a member as long as I have. But I'm gonna be purchasing more credits, because I need more, because I'm gonna be marketing this a lot. So yeah, that's how TextBot works, you guys. It's an amazing opportunity. Like I said, highly recommend you guys call the phone number, find out for yourself. Leave it in the description below. And for staying to the end of this video, I have a couple of free gifts I want you guys to check out. They'll be in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. Tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And I hope Ava makes you guys $100 a day. And also, I hope you guys use her for your primary business. Take care, you guys.